Just taking a walk across campus this morning. Get in here and go get some work done. Beautiful, quiet morning. This kind of want to sit on the porch and drink coffee. Yeah, would you look at that? Good morning. Well, would you look at that? The things that happen. Well, good morning, everyone. Mr. Jeff, the Custodian here. I've had a lot going on this summer. I know y'all had a lot going on this summer. You know, I remember when I worked in the elementary school, all that stripping and waxing floors don't do quite as much as that as they used to. You know, I remember those, classroom after classroom, day after day, all summer, halls, cafeterias, pressure washing, window washing, all the stuff that's behind the scenes, that we do in the summertime that makes our job easier throughout the school year. But now that I work at the community college, things are a lot different. We have dorms to clean in the summer. We've had a lot of construction going on down there this summer, and we've had to go down there several different times. But I have a building that I'm in right now, the one you see me walking in, is office building. We have a student center in there, and it was rented out this week for 3 days. And I don't know how many people was here, but there were a lot of people here. It had a lot of lunch garbage to take out this week. And so kind of day in and day out operations here at the college every day. This building I am has a lot of offices upstairs. We have IT in this building. And so I have to do that daily thing in this building every day. Hey, I want to break in here just a moment because as I was going through all of this, I was thinking about something. I normally on Thursday mornings is when I do most of all my vacuuming in this building. I got a lot of offices in here. Well, with the events that have been going on this week and all the extra work that I've got to do in this building this week, well, that's not going to happen. And with me taking tomorrow off, that's just not going to happen. I know some of y'all that would drive you crazy. You say, oh, my leaving to be down on me, or my boss is going to be down my throat. You can only do what you can do, and you just got to pace yourself sometimes, and it'll be here whenever I get back, and I'll get to it sometime or another. I'm here to do a job, not here to keep people happy. Just here to do what I can. And I just absolutely killed myself because I thought I had to just keep everything speaky all the time, and sometimes you just can't do it. And as I get older, been doing this for 25 years. Be August the 1st of this year. Most of the time, you're the one that's harder on you and harder on yourself than anybody else. And most of the time, you're the only one that notices some things, unless it really gets out of hand. But just little things here and there, and you gotta let something go. It's gonna be all right. We have a cafeteria area that has the LVT flooring, brown, and it's pretty dirty. So we're gonna go in there with a square scrub next week and clean that up. Hopefully I can shoot some video on that. But I know y'all have done a lot of floor stripping and waxing this summer. I've seen a lot of great pictures posted on our Facebook page and video clips. And y'all are just amazing at how y'all do floors. Y'all have had some training somewhere, or you've had to figure it out for yourself. And I know a lot of people have, commented on the videos that I have made, how they have helped them out and different things. And that's kind of what this channel is about, is just kind of give an idea of how to do things. Saying that, I want you just let me know in the comment what you've been doing in the comments. I can't talk this morning. In the comments, what you've been doing this summer and how your summers went and how those things have went for you. Maybe some of the challenges and different things you faced, and maybe you had a really great summer and you just want to share some of that. Share it here on the comments, share it on the Facebook group page, and if it has to do related to the page, I'll approve it and we'll get it out there. And just be looking out for that video of us doing that LVT flooring, hopefully next week. Yeah, y'all have a good weekend. I'm taking tomorrow off. I'm going to do a little R&R. Take care of yourself. You've been out there tearing it up this summer and you may be a little tired, so don't overdo it. I know you're doing things that's going to make your job easier throughout the school year, and you're doing the things that nobody sees, but hey, it's important, and it's just job security.
You got to have his job, man. You got to have me. You got to have job security.
So, hey, y'all have a good day. You know, if you like this kind of content and stuff on this channel, hey, hit that like, subscribe button, that share, that bell notification button. That'll help get this channel out there and really help us out. Y'all have a great day.
Ooh, look here. Beep, beep, beep. You gotta go clean that up now. Yeah, you.